Good morning, students. So, our next topic of Unit 2 is colligative property and determination of molar mass. Repeating the heading again, colligative property and determination of molar mass. Now, first of all, in order to study which are the colligative properties, we should know what do we mean by colligative property. Okay, so let us go for the definition of colligative properties. Colligative properties which depends on the amount of solute and not on the nature of the solute is called colligative property. Means what? The properties which are related to the number of solute or the number of particles of the solute and not the nature of solute. Means whether we are adding water inside it or alcohol inside it is not the case, but how much of water and how much of alcohol is added is the important point. Okay, so repeating again, what are colligative properties? Properties which depend on the amount of solute and not on the nature of the solute is called colligative property. Okay, and in this colligative property that we are studying is all about solution formed by solid into liquid. I'm repeating again, solid into liquid. Okay, liquid into liquid, we have already seen about the vapor pressure in the last lecture, right? So this colligative property is all about the solutions which are formed by adding solid into liquid. So when you already know till now that if we are adding solid into liquid, that means what? Our solid, that is solute, is non-volatile, right? Solids are non-volatile, right? So that means our solutes are non-volatile and that are added into the solvents, that is liquid. Okay, so in this chapter we are going to study about 4 types of colligative property. So which are these 4 types of colligative property? Let us see. 4 colligative properties are relative lowering in vapor pressure. Next is depression of freezing point. Third is elevation of boiling point. And number 4th is osmotic pressure. Okay, so this all 4 properties we are going to study in detail. Today in this lecture we are only going to study about relative lowering in vapor